Right, from Pine Valley, it's a quick trip up to Cephissus Falls. Wander through the forest. It's just a nice thing to do after a day's hike up in the labyrinth. Right, we can hear the river. Just passing some juvenile kingbilly pines. There's some really big fellas here too. Most of these large trees in here are kingbilly pines. There's a couple of sassafras. This looks like it. Right, it's a bit of a mission to get down. We'll have a crack at that. Yeah, I've got down to river level. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge. Pretty cool.